Ibon.
Ay, pulbang. Boy, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Picture. Ako sila.
Oh. 2, 3, 4 star. Sir, man. Foreman, tingnan ko na, sir. 11, okay, 11. Mag-CR, manang kayo dapat nakauban ngayon, ha? Ano din ang siya, sugod, pwede po din makamang ko. Okay? Tapos, mag-CR ka. Uli-uli ako, sa ko mag-CR. Ha? Hindi niya ikaw, chef. Hindi pwede mawagsak. Uli na, siguro mag-stop. Inyong ticket, finish na. Ha? Ato na ganito sa computer. Are you ready? Yes, sir! Hello, good afternoon mga bata. Hello, my energy. Good afternoon. Okay, very good. So, to formally start our program, I would like to assign for our opening prayer, Brother Zip, opening prayer, and then we will have our theme song for our opening song. Okay, and then special song sa Tanang Youth. Okay, Tanang Youth, mga ating kuya. And then we will listen to a short message by our youth elder, Brother Gideon. After that, we will have our 2 activities or games. Okay, first activity we are going to have a blindfold activity, and then our games for in relation to Mother's Day. Okay, it's going to be a Bible trivia. And then after, closing song, our theme song, and closing prayer ni ating hatag ni Ate Yvonne, closing prayer. Okay? That's
We are adventurers, at all our school and we are adventurers. We're learning every day to be honest and true, to be like Jesus through and through. We are adventurers. We are adventurers, at all our school and we are adventurers. We're learning every day to be honest and true, to be like Jesus through and through. We are adventurers.
Ni mo, sister, Kelly, sa maning adventure. Sabi ko sa adventure? Ha? Sa lakaw? So atong hinumduman nga, paglakaw, uban sa Ginoo dili sayong, di ba?